everyone and welcome. My name is Cara Potgieter and I am the marketing strategist for SAIBA. I have more than 13 years of marketing experience and I'm here today to help you make the most of your new designation. Now that you've done the work, we want you to stand on the best foot possible and make the most of your new accreditation. So stay tuned as I give you some of my top tips on how to market your new accounting practice. In this short presentation, I'm going to touch on 4 topics relating to marketing. 1 is elevating your reach. 2 is driving engagement. 3 is driving your credibility. And lastly, I'm going to help you to elevate your new SAIBA certificate. Okay, so are you ready to put your marketing hat on? Here are the 4 key pillars to marketing. Firstly, I'm going to help you gain the most reach possible. Secondly, I'm going to help you to really connect to your audience and make the most of your marketing messaging. Thirdly, I'm going to help you build your credibility because let's be honest, doing the work that you do, you really need to have the credibility with your clients or potential clients. So we are really fortunate to have so many platforms to help you drive your marketing reach. Firstly, we're going to look at driving reach. That means reaching more people and really getting your name out there. Another way of looking at it is driving awareness of your brand. So you've got a new business, you need to get it out there. We are really fortunate to have platforms such as Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram to help drive this reach. And if you get a professional to help you, you can also get your Google ads out there. All these platforms are perfectly positioned to drive traffic to your website and to your new accounting practice. So how do you use it? Firstly, whenever you post anything on these social platforms, there's an option to boost the posts with paid advertising. A simple amount, like even 200 Rand, can drive so much more reach and get your brand out there. Secondly, you can go onto your social media platforms and create an ad account. Now use these social media ads to also drive traffic to your website and to your new accounting business. You can also use Google ads to get your name out there. These ads are then displayed all over the internet and not just on these social media platforms. I really recommend using a professional person to help you with this and just get yourself going, but it's a really inexpensive, effective way to drive traffic and drive reach to your new business and get your name out there. Another option is public relations. You would need a public relations team to help you with this, but this is really effective if you've got a little bit more budget to get your business out there. Lastly, you can also use traditional media to get your name out there. That is a more expensive option, but it also works if you've got the budget to back it. Now for the really exciting part. Now that you're part of our family, we've got a lot of resources that you can share on your social media channels, on your newsletters, and on all your marketing material. They're available on saiba.org.za or on SAIBA's YouTube channel for you to share directly. Okay, so now you've got your name out there. People are seeing all about your business. How do you really engage these people? We call this, in marketing terms, driving engagement. You drive engagement by commenting on posts. Yes, on other people's posts, but you also reply to people commenting onto your posts. Also, if you see people commenting on your posts or engaging with your posts, it's a nice opportunity to send them an inbox message pitching your business. This brings me to my second point, the inbox message. We have used this to great success with SAIBA marketing, and I would like to share it with you. It's quite simple. Pop an inbox message to one of your clients or potential clients and tell them a little bit more about your services. It's a great way to open conversation and start a dialogue. It's the very first step to your lead generation. The next step is to phone people. Make a list of potential clients, call them, get their email addresses, and connect with them and open the dialogue to tell them a little bit more about your business. The next step is really important to getting your accounting business out there. That is attending events and conferences. It's the perfect way to get your name out there to your peers, which means networking. And remember our saying, the greater your network, the greater your net worth. There are many ways of doing this. You can either be a speaker at these events, you can get a booth and advertise your services through getting your stand out there, or you can simply add something to the goodie bag or hand out your business cards. This next point is really important, very traditional, and it's part of the networking function. It is meeting with your clients or potential clients in person. That is entertainment, going to play golf, really connecting. This drives engagement like no other. The last point is really important. Remember to ask questions. It's not just about what you can do for them, it's about listening to their business problems and adding value. That is probably the most important thing. If you can take anything from today's presentation about marketing, it is this. Ask questions, it will clearly open doors. Well, next I'm going to teach you a little bit about LinkedIn marketing and how to elevate this channel for your business. LinkedIn is just one platform. You can also use other platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Google Ads to drive the same engagement, but use the same formula that I'm applying now. We're taking the pillars and we're applying it to LinkedIn now. The first step is to drive reach. Firstly, we want to drive reach. You do this by creating a really engaging post. LinkedIn has amazing platforms or tools that you can use to elevate this. For instance, you can create a poll. Through your LinkedIn poll, you can really drive engagement. So now you take that engagement, you look at the people that have commented on your poll, that have engaged with your poll, and you make a list of those people. You pop them an inbox message and you show them that you care. You take this opportunity to tell them a little bit about your business and what you can bring to the table. The next step will really help you get more clients. You use LinkedIn's search tool to search for business owners, directors, or anything of the like. It will pop out thousands of people who are business owners. That's your potential client pool right there. Now that you've identified all these potential clients, you can pop them an inbox message and tell them about your business and your service offering. Now that you've opened all the doors, you are ready to pitch. Now for the last pillar to marketing success, driving credibility. I want to start off by asking, who do you trust? Do you trust your church? Do you trust Ramaphosa? Do you trust your family? Do you trust the news? Do you trust your accountant? I would like to pause there and really ask you, why do you trust these people or why don't you trust them? That is all about credibility. I want you to reflect on this and I want you to project this into your marketing messages. The truth is, trust is built over time. If you show up time and time again, it shows you're trustworthy. So show up for your clients. Be there, even if they don't ask you to be there. Recognition builds credibility. Are you recognized by a professional body? Accreditation builds credibility. Your designation behind your name and your email signature, that builds credibility. Consistency builds trust and credibility. Once again, show up even if they didn't ask. Show up time and time again and stay consistent in your endeavors with your clients. Last but not least, be transparent. Tell them if you're not meeting deadlines. Tell them if you need more information. Open that dialogue. This builds relationship and credibility. Now let's talk about your SAIBA Privy Seal certificate and how that can build credibility. You can use your Privy Seal certificate next to your email signature or all your documents to build credibility. Your Privy Seal certificate shows that you are a designated accountant and can be vouched for. Your Privy Seal certificate also gives you recognition. It recognizes you as an accountant that belongs to a professional body. Your Privy Seal certificate really drives credibility, so spread the news. Use it on your email signature, in your newsletter, on your website, wherever you can, because it really gives you credibility. Thank you, that is it from me and all the marketing tips. If you need more marketing tips, visit our SAIBA blog. It's on saiba.org.za/blog. SAIBA's designations are positioned to take you through every step of your career. Now I'm going to tell you about our top destination, the CFO Club Africa. This club is exclusive to finance executives and is the launchpad for you to earn your CFO SA designation. The CFO Club Africa is an international community of finance executives. We are connected to 2 international bodies including IFI and the CFO Alliance. This connects you to 5,000 finance executives locally and over 22,000 finance executives internationally. The CFO Club Africa is there not only to connect you to your peers, but to also help you to learn from your peers. This is also your first step to become a CFO SA designation holder. This is our premier designation for finance executives in Africa. The CFO SA designation is built on 4 core pillars, including steward, catalyst, controller, and strategist. It is also built on ethics, integrity, and professionalism. We have many CFOs that have earned the CFO SA designation and can vouch for the doors that it has opened for them. Part of the benefits of joining the club and earning your designation is you can have free access to the CFO Talks podcast, where we interview executives from right around the world. These executives share top tips exclusively to CFO Club members. You also gain access to exclusive webinars, the tax knowledge base, the book club. You get invited to our World Congress every year, and you also gain exclusive access to the executive education brought to you by SAIBA Academy. CFO Talks is part of the CFO Club. It is our leg where we share podcasts and events with our CFO members. CFO Talks is devoted to sharing ideas and creating a platform where CFOs can learn from one another. Also part of the CFO Club is our exclusive mentorship program. You will learn more about that on the CFO Club website. Once you've reached the top, don't forget to join the CFO Club and open your doors to many opportunities locally, in Africa, and internationally. It's the best way to network and enhance your skills as a finance executive.
Mazars is a leading international audit, tax and advisory firm aspiring to build the economic foundations of a fair and prosperous world. Founded in Europe, we are now present in over 90 countries and territories, with more than 42,000 professionals, over 26,000 in our integrated partnership and 16,000 via the Mazars North America Alliance, dedicated to helping clients make the most of business opportunities and operate with confidence. With teams based all over the world, we combine deep local knowledge and understanding with a global perspective. Operating as a united partnership with shared goals, values and service standards, we work as one team, delivering a rewarding experience and consistent quality across a broad range of services. We have the skills and the scale to serve clients of all sizes across all sectors, while remaining flexible, personal, and distinct in our approach. Every piece of work is treated with integrity, independence, accountability, and a social conscience. By combining quality, expertise, agility, and understanding, we provide answers and experiences that are right for our people, clients, and society.
My name is Victor Goh, the Group Business Development Director of Acro Singapore Group. Acro Singapore is a tech consultancy firm where all our consultants are professional accountants who knows QuickBooks Online very well as its ecosystems. And together with these two skill sets, we are able to give our customers the best solutions. I choose QuickBooks Online because it brings us closer to our customers. Because what we see in the cloud is what the customer can see on the cloud. On the other hand, QuickBooks Online is an open source solution where it allows other add-ons such as the payroll to directly integrate to QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online is a very user-friendly accounting solution, and it allows my clients to do accounting on the go. Business owners can straight away send digital invoices to their customers and have better cash flows. And on the other hand, will give them a more timely information on a daily basis. I like QuickBooks Online Reports because it has 65 customized reports and has many features. It has a customized GST Form 5 and exceptional details report, which ensures that all GST are captured completely and properly. QuickBooks Online has digitalized our whole processes in the firm. QuickBooks Online has increased our firm's productivity by more than 50%, and our whole firm is now having a paperless processes. We will definitely recommend QuickBooks Online to the accountants as well as the business owners.
Thank you very much to all our speakers for sharing such insightful information. I am sure our members have learned a lot from this session. I would like to thank all our members for attending, all our speakers for such informative presentations, and our team for making this webinar a success. Please note that the recording of this webinar and the business plan template will be made available on your Academy profile. You can claim up to 3 CPD hours. Thank you once again for joining. We hope that you will make use of all the resources and the information shared by our presenters to help you grow your own successful practice. Have a wonderful day.